Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain how to reset iPhone battery health to 100% and whether it's actually possible. Many users hope to find a setting or trick that will restore their battery health, but the reality is that iPhone battery health cannot be reset through software. Battery health is a hardware-based measurement that reflects the actual wear and tear on your battery from regular use. Over time, as the battery goes through charge cycles, its maximum capacity naturally declines. The only real way to bring your battery health back to 100% is by replacing the battery itself. You can get this done at an Apple store or an authorized service provider, and once a new battery is installed, the iPhone will recognize it and show battery health as 100%. Although you can't reset the battery health, there are ways to slow down its decline. Avoid charging your phone all the way to 100% too often, and don't let it drop to 0% regularly. Use the optimized battery charging feature found in settings under battery health and charging to reduce battery aging. Also, try to keep your iPhone away from extreme heat or cold, as temperature can affect battery performance. So while resetting battery health isn't possible without a physical replacement, following these tips can help maintain your battery's condition for a longer period.